Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this special game. Yeah, that it is an alphabet game, a letters game. Ooh, Frened words. This is a German version of it. It's a board for games for adults and kids. It's a word game for thinking, for ABC words, storm game, letter game with 26 word game cards with the timer function, and it comes in a blue finish as you can see. Game Razing words, German boards, games for adults, letters, spinning top is equipped with a digital display and a timer function. The 24 letter boards offers unlimited word combinations, and it comes with 35 double-sided cards to 140 categories and 220 topics, with simple rules suited for all ages groups. Both games are included a skill mode and a lucky mode, so we can choose freely. Fast response provides a relaxing experience, while the Thunder mode offers a faster challenge and a lot of fun. This word game, it's an ABC words game, letters with 26 word game words. It's not only fun, but also effectively expands the vocabulary, trains the fast thinking and spelling skills, and promotes interactive communications between the players. These letter games are the robust and durable turntable withstands repeated use. Whether we're traveling, camping, or family celebrations, it can be easily transported and we can enjoy the fun at any time. Because it's easy to get to AA batteries inside, and then you are ready with that game, of course. And it's really easy. Whether at a party, our games night with the family, this alphabet game is a fun and easy way to interact with each other and helps everyone get to know each other better, of course, and makes a good spelling job. Ready to draw a theme card, for example, with 35 cards and 140 scene contents. And we have there two gameplay modes. Yeah, we have the quick answers mode and this, and there is a minors or a thunder mode, which you can choose that, of course. The size is nearly card size. It's not so big. It's 9.1 inches to 2.4 inches, and it is for a good and nice time with your family and friends, of course. This all brings us joy, and this is a nice letters game for everyone out there, with a lot of fun, of course. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel.
Minenmodus. Kategorie schnelle Antworten. Minenmodus. Kategorie schnelle Antworten. Weltraum.